What's good, guys? Welcome back. So right now, guys, we're gonna be heading to a Cars and Coffee, not necessarily Cars and Coffee, it's a once a month meet that the homies throw, and we're just a get together. You know, Ayo Rico from NWP, he's gonna be there, the homie Louis, the other homie Christian. I heard a bunch of other people are supposed to show up, so we're gonna go. And the main reason why we're going is because a good homie of mine, Tony, he owns a white DA. I've showed videos of it before. He actually called my car a not street car because I don't drive it at night in the rain. It's just something I'm really careful about, I guess, you know what I mean, being turbo and everything else, and not having the full coverage for the turbo. So I'm gonna go ahead and prove him wrong that this car is a street car, and I'm gonna drive it over there. So follow along with the journey, guys. We'll get there and we'll see what cars pop up. Alrighty, guys, so we just arrived here at the meet. There's a bunch of cars out here. You got Sheepy from Sheepy Race, the one I blew my axle at his shop. So he came over here because he has a new ITR that he picked up from a homie of ours at Do It Customs, I believe it is. He's out of Fresno, if I'm not mistaken. He has the car ITR that he sold him, along with some Mugans or something like that. I don't know what it was. I think that's where he got the Mugans from. But his ITR is over there. You got the other homies over here. You got Jesse. And then you got my car. The other homie just ended up leaving because he has something going, but that's my neighbor. He has an all-wheel drive. I did get a little bit of clips of it beforehand, so you guys will see that here, hopefully. And he has the all-wheel drive EK hatchback, and it pushes really good power, K-series and everything. And then you got all the other homies over there. I was just talking with Miguel from JDM Inspired, and hopefully we can do something. We're thinking about doing a little barbecue or something for a gathering for like a bunch of people that we know, you know, just see how the car communities come around and do things from all over area codes, you get what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get to some of these videos of these cars that are here, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So please comment, like, subscribe, and let's get to it, guys. Hey, motherfucker, I got a bone to pick with your ass. My car ain't just a show car, fucker.
That's good.
That's good, bud.
Made it out, dog.
I told you, dog, it's not just a show car, dog.
Let it get wet a little bit.
I might.
It's nice. It's nicer when it's wet.
Yeah, a little bit. Except when you gotta clean that shit.
I know.
Got the homie Jesse's right-hand drive EG4, I think it is. It's just a single cam. Very clean. Mugen wheels. I think it's a Doobie kit, if I'm not mistaken. Doobie front lip. I think it's the Mugen side skirts, if I'm not mistaken also. Along with the Mode Perfume mirrors. Recaro seats that you guys can't see, but black Recaros. Then you got my show car. That The guy was calling over there, showing that it's not, but yeah. And then you have TSX wagon. The homie Miguel's from JDM Inspired. We're actually just talking, like I said in the beginning of the video, we're talking about doing maybe a barbecue for a bunch of homies. Invite a few people, do a collab with, see if maybe Gus from Automotive Anatomy is down, and come out and just video, show what it's like just to have a bunch of area codes come out and just chill and just hang out, man. You got this other right-hand drive, CTR, registered in Cali. And then you got Tim's CRX from Dustin Williams' channel. This is the one that they built on the channel that Dustin Williams did, and it's wrapped yellow. B series. Tastefully modded. Rear wing that you can't see it because it's too damn dark. Very clean, man. And then you got a bunch of other cars over there from the other homies. But let's go over here and see Sheepy Built's ITR. Before we go, EK hatchback, fully graddy theme with, I believe it's a Jay's Racing hood. If you guys go to my channel, you guys seen that I made a hood for the CRX, and you can see what I was talking about the hood styles of it being like a bullfrog. I'm not a big fan of the hood when it's on a square body CRX, but when it's on a hatchback or an EK or EG just in general, you see the difference on it. It goes with the shape of the car instead of it being a square vehicle like the CRX over there. It's good to have it. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a dope hood nonetheless, but in my honest opinion, if it's square, stick with that theme of being a square hood, and you'll be pretty much, it'll flow a lot better. But let's go ahead and see Sheepy Built's new ITR Integra. Yep. And then you can this is right here, Sheepy Built's new ITR you just picked up. You get them at 10. It's very clean for what it is. It's a clean car. Put a sticker on it, you can barely see it. '96, '97 spec, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Or is it the 99? I don't know, I'm not good at ITRs. You have another ITR over here, fully Mugen themed out. Let's go see what's over here. Looks like you got a DB1 Integra DA. I believe this one used to belong to Rex, if I'm not mistaken, up in San Diego. On some Enkeys, old school Enkeys. Very dope. Actually, very flows very good with the rear wing, optional rear wing. Del Sol swapped over here. H22 turbo. This one actually just had work done by the homie Honda Pro in San Bernardino. He had some work done to it, and they're figuring out the final things that it needed. Dope car though, must boogie. And you got the homie over here, Wes. This is right-hand drive BMW. Clean ass wagon. If you guys remember back in the channel, or if you guys even watched Gus's, he came down. I think he was supposed to be doing an interview with Gus here soon. So, pretty dope ass wagon. And you got the homie Ryan's EG hatch. T37s, blue Recaros. Equipment on is dope. Like the way it looks. Roll cage auto power, if I'm not mistaken. This one's B series. This one has the same. Well, no, it's actually a little bit different. This is actually like a carbon heart front hood that was recreated, kind of mimic the Jay's Racing for the EG. Got a Sylvia over there. Then you got the other homie, the one homie that called me out saying my car was a show car and I wouldn't drive it in the rain. This is his newest pickup. This DB8 right here. All minty OEM. He actually offered to trade it for my right-hand drive Integra. What do you think, chat? Should I or not? GSR 4-door Integra or my right-hand drive DA7. This is his other car right here, DA. I guess you can see why he wants my 4-door Integra. But we'll see how it goes. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. We'll see what else we get into, see what else happens if anything changes, any new cars come up. I'll show you guys. Pretty much got all the cars here. Like I said, it's just a bunch of people that came from all over the place. You know, it's a monthly meet every single Friday, first Friday of the month. It's here in Murrieta off of Los Alamos at the Shell gas station. So we'll see how it goes, man. But like I said, if any more cars come, we'll pick back up. If not, catch us on the way back home. Alrighty guys, so sorry the camera and dark inside. I wasn't able to record, but it is raining outside and I got stuck in a goddamn rainstorm with 0 wipers. So I thank God I had to stop to put gas in, because again, see, no windshield wipers guys. Put fuel in and it took 10 gallons and I knew I was kind of getting a little bit of fuel slosh. So 10 gallons of my 15-gallon fuel cell. So we're gonna go ahead and head home guys, but pretty much that is gonna wrap it up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you guys did guys, please comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for the second video of 2026. We got an ambulance or a fire truck in the background, so hopefully the freeway is not closed now and hopefully we can make it back home. So see you guys on the next video.